What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you the slice method. Basically, slice is a tool in Cricut Design Space that allows you to cut out a shape from another shape or cut a text from a shape. But before we get started, I want you to keep in mind that when you use the slice method, you can only slice 2 items at a time. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to hit new project. Now we're going to grab 2 shapes. We're going to grab a square. And we're going to change the color of it. And size it up a little bigger so we can see what's going on. So now I'm going to go over and grab my second shape, which is a heart. I don't have to change the color of the heart because it's going to be cut out anyway. So I'm placing the heart on top of the square, and I'm going to select both images. And go down to the screen and hit slice. It should take a second or two. You see how it popped up on the side of the screen that they're cut out? So now I'm going to remove the heart and I'm going to remove the square. So now we have 3 images. So we're just going to delete the ones that we don't want, which is the 2 hearts. So now, if you wanted to slice out a text, you go over to text and just type in whatever text that you want or whatever font that you're looking for. So we're going to put the text on the square and size it to your liking. And we're going to select the whole image and hit slice. So now your text will be in 3 parts. So you're going to delete the ones that you don't want. So we're going to delete the 2 texts. Okay, now there's 2 methods in one. So we're going to move that one out the way. So say for instance we want a shape with a pattern in it. We're going to go over to shapes and grab a heart. And I've already chosen the shape, the pattern that I want. So I'm going to go over to upload and click on my pattern. And bring it over to the canvas. So I'm just going to size it down just to cover the heart. So I'm just going to lay my pattern on top of the heart and make sure it covers the whole thing. So now I'm going to select both items and slice. So we're going to remove the pattern. So we should have 3 cutouts. So we're going to delete the ones that we don't want. But we want to keep the heart that has the pattern in it. So let's move that one to the side. So next we're going to use an image with a pattern in it. So I'm going to use this image and put that same pattern on top of it. So I'm going to go back to uploads and upload the pattern. I'm going to size it down over the image I chose to cover the entire image. And then select both and hit slice. So now we should have 3 images. The pattern and the 2 images. So I'm going to delete the cutout pattern and the black image. And keep the cutout that has the pattern on it. Now we're going to slice it down and move it out the way. Now let's say you want a pattern and want the words cut out. So I'm going to go and grab that same pattern and bring it to the canvas. Then, I'm going to size it to make sure you unlock the pattern so you can move it up, down, or to a rectangle. Now we're going to go over to text and put in whatever text you want or whatever font that you want. It doesn't matter the color because you're going to slice it out the pattern anyway. So we're going to put the text on top of the pattern. And select both images and hit slice. And now we should have a pattern with the words cut out. So we're just going to delete the 2 that we don't want. And there you have it. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.